So cute.
Riley's first online order.
Hindi ako nag-order na ito.
Walmart. First time na may dumating na para sa'yo online order.
Pwede ko sarayin yung box.
Oo. Pwede.
Oh my god. I think he's not a surgeon.
Social. May delivery.
Wow. Look how she takes care of you. Wow.
Spoiled. Spoiled by Ninang.
Fancy.
Suot mo, buksin mo.
I don't even get sneakers that nice. What size are those?
8.5. It's end 1.
Wow, he's gonna be like an American.
Oh, look at that. Looks good.
Wow.
Fancy.
Wow.
Fancy-mancy. What's the medyas mo?
No socks?
Wala. Wala ako medyo.
He doesn't wear socks?
No, he's not wearing right now.
I see that, but doesn't.
Hmm? Hey, Sprinkles. What you looking at? For your shoes? Are you looking for your shoes? Huh? Why Sprinkles doesn't have shoes?
Can't afford it, Sprinkle. Sorry.
Ay!
Wow, look at
Hindi ko
that.
makita. Kamusta naman?
Mm.
Sakto maluwag?
Wait.
Ha?
Wait.
Wait line.
Paano ba ito tanggal?
Eh, nakabuhol lang yan eh. Ah, gugupitin.
Gunting. Ano ko dalawa.
Wait lang.
Wait line.